Up first this evening, swift action by the police in Clarendon prevented yet another ATM heist. Officers were alerted to a section of Bargain Village in Maypen before dawn Sunday when they saw men trying to remove the ATM. The thugs ran when the police approached. A Sagicor ATM was targeted by the thugs and it was seen outside the building where it was initially installed. The ATM was removed to the Maypen police station using a wrecker truck. Investigations are ongoing into the incident. Armed thugs have been targeting ATMs and cash couriers in the past few months. The attacks, some of which have been deadly, have resulted in reduction in the services available to customers at ATMs.